We're working on an automated bag valve mask device that is going to provide the ability to mechanically stimulate these readily available bag valve masks, which are available in most hospitals in wide supply. And this device will mechanically compress this to reduce the burden on human operators who might have to compress this bag for hours at a time.
Many of you may have seen my previous video. So what I did now is I have to modify the first one I did, then use the parts to build this new one that I'm showing you right now. Right now you can see that this one I'm making use of two motors. You can see the stepper motor one controlling the gear, and here is the part that push, and here is the second part that push. And you can see here that I don't have the second stepper motor, so this part is empty, but I just have to put everything intact. You can see the gear, so you can see the switch to power it on. Then you can see all these parts are not available. This part is not available, this part is not available, and the display is not available. If you check my circuit, you will see that all these parts are available in the circuit because I can stimulate them inside the circuit. Here is the space for the max valve bag, so this is where it's going to be, and these two are going to be the one that will compress the bag so that oxygen can go in. Building this machine, I have to make use of the material I have available at home. You can see this is just made of plywood, and this is a drawer slide, and these two gear I got them out from DVD. The machine is pulling out. I see it's going in now. So with this now, it's meant to be the two puller that are meant to go in and go out, but since I only have one stepper motor, yeah, pretty work. I have no choice. I have to make use of the material I have at home in order to execute the job.